Do you want to dance like this? Do you want to be this excited about your flooring? You too can have fun while scraping your floor. And you can love it just like me. Just tune in and watch.
Today our goal is to show you how to prep your slab flooring for when you're wanting to lay new flooring. In our case, we had vinyl on top of vinyl, and then we had carpet. When we pulled everything up, it was just very uneven. It was lumpy, there was paper, there was mastic, there was glue, mold even. We just wanted to strip it down to the bare slab, the bare concrete, so we could just have a nice, clean, even surface to start from. I first tried just using this flooring scraper. That wasn't enough. So we had to go ahead and rent a tool at Home Depot, which I'm going to show you how to use later.
We found that spraying the floor kept the dust particles down to a bare minimum. The floor polisher, along with the coating removal tool, is a very heavy piece of equipment, so be sure to keep your surroundings clear, as sometimes it likes to whip around and it can get out of control. We got as much up as we could with our coating removal tool and floor polisher. However, there's a few little stubborn spots that we could get up with our flooring scraper. For those extra stubborn spots on the concrete, I'm using my putty knife. It does a really great job of getting those stubborn little spots. We're now left with a clay-like substance. So I'm just going to take my broom, sweep up the floor, and use the shop vac and the shovel, and we're going to go ahead and clean it up and see the results. Here's our final results, a nice, flat, clean surface to lay our new wood flooring on. I'm happy with the results. I hope you are too. Thanks for watching.